The world of oil. A world of challenges and uncertainty. A world of growth and hope. Transforming hope into success is a global leader in offshore and onshore oil well cementing equipment. Sledgehammer. 1974, a team of engineers started manufacturing heavy engineering products. A strategic shift in 2006 towards downhole products became the game changer. Within a decade, Sledgehammer has become the largest company in Asia. Bigger, better, and groundbreaking. Manufacturing bowspring centralizers, solid body centralizers, cementing plugs, float equipment, stage cementing tools, and cementing heads. A Make in India initiative to manufacture a range of products to match all cementing needs.
Our state-of-the-art in-house manufacturing allows us to give our customers the best quality and the best pricing.
Sledgehammer's in-house manufacturing employs best-in-class equipment, promising quality products. The facility has an integrated setup for end-to-end manufacturing. Sledgehammer's endeavor is to produce in eco-friendly, healthy, and safe environments. At Sledgehammer, quality control starts from raw material selection. The test labs are equipped with the latest software and test equipment. At every stage, products are put through a string of rigorous tests. Sledgehammer's design and R&D labs constantly innovate to match any requirement. The design labs use the latest software tools for 3D visualization, creating the highest number of product designs under a single roof, reducing time, cost, and failures, and product analysis software reducing destructive testing and enhancing accuracy.
Sledgehammer is now introducing its products in the United States and South America with the addition of a warehouse in Houston, Texas, stocking in excess of $1 million worth of inventory for immediate delivery to our customers. Our innovative technology and engineering are superior and known around the world for completion products in the oil and gas industry.
Sledgehammer has won world-acclaimed certifications and awards. At Sledgehammer, the entire team is geared towards fulfillment and delight of all its global customers.
Sledgehammer's global footprints give its customers access to global experience and expertise.
From the sands of the Middle East to the deep seas of the Pacific Ocean, from the mountains of Alabama to the plains of California, Sledgehammer stands for customer growth, customer satisfaction, and customer success.
Customer is our #1 priority. Any issues that he has with our product or with our service are dealt with immediately.
With a triple bottom line philosophy of people, planet, and profit, the Sledgehammer Foundation contributes to community through women empowerment, skilling the youth, education and sports training for the underprivileged.
In CSR activities, we are providing free education to the economical weaker section. We are also providing free medical checkup, blood donations, and various other activities for women empowerment. We have various courses for the skill development like stitching, tailoring, and beautician.
When the DNA is all about care and commitment, then what you naturally produce is perfection. Sledgehammer, commitment towards perfection.